There is nowhere else in the world still in lockdown like this. In Beijing, several communities have been shuttered off, with members of China's White Army on guard at the exits. The city is registering around 40 cases a day, but schools, parks, offices and restaurants have closed, with only food deliveries still allowed. Millions are taking mandatory PCR tests, a major pillar of the country's zero COVID policy. But the director of the World Health Organization has told the Chinese authorities their approach is no longer viable.
When we talk about the zero COVID strategy, we don't think that it's sustainable considering the behavior of the virus now and what we anticipate in the future.
Dr. Tedros' statement was quickly censored on the Chinese internet. Even on the official page of the World Health Organization, the video is no longer available and sharing has been disabled. The Foreign Ministry, which has previously boasted about having the Director General's support, today called his remarks irresponsible.
客观理性看待中国疫情防控的政策，能够更多的了解事实，不要发表不负责任的言论。
The censors have been working overtime to avoid scenes from Shanghai being viewed by the wider population. This woman was being forced from her home after testing positive. Others have had their doors kicked in after trying to refuse quarantine. We have been tested almost every day this month, and it looks like that could be here to stay.
The latest mandate is for every major city to have a test site like this within 15 minutes walk of every resident. It looks like they're going to become a permanent fixture on the streets, and having a negative result will be required for going to school, work, shopping or eating out.
There will be no living with the virus in China. It is pursuing a pandemic victory at all costs. Debbie Edward, News at 10, Beijing.